Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error. The merchant account is restricted in WooCommerce checkout page. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using PayPal plugin. Now you see, and we are using this plugin, payment plugin for PayPal WooCommerce, and we are using WordPress checkout. And when we are going to place order, then you see this error. If you see this error in WooCommerce checkout page, so there is two possibilities. So first, it's mean you just created your PayPal business account and it's take roughly 24 hours before you can process real payment. So I created PayPal business account few hours ago. So that's why I see this error. So within 24 hours or maximum 24 hours, your issue will be resolved and PayPal issue will be fixed. And second possibility is if your account is not a new account, so you should contact PayPal support and PayPal support fix your issue. If your account is new, then in 24 hours your issue will be fixed in WordPress checkout. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.